let's get that off of the stage. If you just came in, you are watching Who's Getting Sued this week. I'm your host, Natalie Pierre Lewis. This is where we learn business and legal topics using pop culture and celebrity news. Okay. Next story that we are talking about. Do we have any World of Warcraft fans in here? Do we have any World of Warcraft fans in his house? If we do, just give me a wow in the comments. Or y'all can't, y'all just won't tap. Y'all just won't tap. Y'all won't give us just a tap, a tap, 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 a tap, tap. But yeah, so we are. If you have heard of World of Warcraft, just give me a wow in the comments. Okay. World of Warcraft, it's like a board game. Excuse me. It's a board game, you know, they also have video games on it, and they do real life stuff. But World of Warcraft has a very strong following, right? So much that people enjoy the World of Warcraft, I guess, universe so much that fans created something called Turtle World of Warcraft. It's a fan run, privately hosted World of Warcraft server network, and they have 44,000 players. So this server, this Turtle WoW, it's not from the World of Warcraft company, which is called Activision Blizzard. It was created by fans. They're just like, it's like when you create, you know, a group on Facebook or something, you know, for something that you like. That's what it started as, right? The problem is that this fan-run server was using copyrighted material from the actual game, meaning visuals, meaning characters, right? It didn't really matter in the beginning because it was small, but the server has gained a lot of attention, and they have had collaborations with influencers, and it's starting to make money, right? So because the images that World of Warcraft uses, those are copyrighted, meaning they created them for their universe. They get to say who used them. They are putting the kibosh on Turtle WoW. They are claiming intellectual property theft. They're trying to get them for the RICO. They're like, look, y'all are using our images. You are profiting off of our intellectual property with this server, right? Again, I don't know if it's all that, but in this day and age with social media, you know, sometimes sometimes what starts off as something small can blow up into something big. So this fan fiction, this fan run space, you know, I don't think the intention was to try and make money off of it. It was just like, you know, we really like World of Warcraft. We want to do some extra stuff outside of the game. You know, let's do something fun. But now blah, blah, blah. What's the name? Activision Blizzard, they're looking at the WoW server and they're like, oh, y'all living large up in here. Y'all having collaborations with influencers. That's money. So they are quickly saying, hold up, you're making money off of our intellectual property because you didn't design none of this. Okay. And that's the power of copyrights. Now, again, I don't know if they're going to be able to get them for the RICO, but they may be able to get this website shut down, you know, if it can prove too much profiting off of their or willful profiting off of their intellectual property, right? So for those of you who are out here, if you are fans of something and you want to create, you know, kind of a tribute, I don't know, website, page, group, whatever for it, you still need to be careful of intellectual property in terms of, when it comes to monies, because if you're running ads on that site, that could get you in trouble. If you are charging for access to that site and you're using their copyrighted material, that could get you in trouble. So if you're going to run some type of fan or tribute site, you want to be very, very aware of copyright infringement, okay? And if fan tributing, just charge no money, okay?